Can someone get legal status if they overstayed a work visa? So if somebody overstayed a work visa, they had a lawful entry initially, but now they have overstayed their visa, so what that means is they're out of status. So it's the same as someone who's undocumented in other ways. They're undocumented now. They're starting to run time that with unlawful presence. If they stay here over 6 months and then they leave, then they would have more than 6 months and less than a year. They would have a 3-year punishment, and less than if it's over a year, then they're going to have a 10-year punishment if they leave and they want to come back. But if they stay here, they're undocumented. They could be detained. They could be deported, right? But if they were to marry a U.S. citizen, they could still get a green card. Okay, or if they qualified for some other sort of status, they could still, qualify for VAWA. If they married a U.S. citizen or resident who was abusive to them, they still qualify for the U visa or the T visa if they have been abused in their job, for example. But it's not so easy for someone who overstays a work visa. They're not going to get another work visa. Usually that doesn't happen if it's been less than 60. Let me see, if it's been less than 6 months that they're out of status. I think there's INA 245K, okay? But that is less than 6 months out of status, and they still need to get that waiver. So usually someone in that situation, junior, is going to need to marry a citizen, but there are other ways, like the U visa or VAWA or something like that visa T. Okay?